Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide likes on Instagram posts, whether it's to reduce pressure or just focus on the content. And here's how to do it. In order to hide likes before posting, start by creating your post as usual. On the final screen, before sharing, tap the settings at the bottom. Then, turn on the hide like and view counts on this post. Now tap the share and like count will be hidden from others. And if you want to hide likes on an existing post, just go to the profile and tap the three dots on this post. Then select hide like count and it's done. You can always reverse it by tapping unhide like count. And that's how you hide likes on Instagram posts. Simple and flexible. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching.